What's up, guys? So today we're back in Animal Company, and we're with Purple Dude, and we are gonna loot secret red light, green light, and hope
Oh wait, we're gonna let me go get a backpack.
Go.
Come on.
We're gonna go loot secret red light, green light. So not red light, green light. We're gonna loot the secret red light, green light. You'll need a flashlight. There. So, secret red light, green light is located. I don't actually know if it's got loot. It's got loot for one whole entire backpack, but I just want to show you guys where it is. Purple monkey? Right, so it's in here. Don't worry about the monster. Just juke his midget legs out. Run! It's okay if you have low health. Basically, run him back. Don't hit the button. Go. Run. Be careful though. What? Dude, we'll just run back. I know where it is. We'll just run back.
Run. Okay. Will the stuff stay there?
Yeah. As long as we're quick, it won't despawn.
Run.
It's gonna be dark, but I know where we're going. Watch out for midget legs though.
Oh crap.
You good? Break his tiny legs.
Run. Come on, run.
Okay, green light. Be careful. Stop, freeze, don't move. Okay, we'll make it this time. Whoa! Oh, there's no loot here. Anyway, this is where the
Where do we have to go?
This is where the loot should spawn. I'm gonna climb up here. Cause you know you've aggravated it, so we're dead. So it don't matter what I do. How much?
Oh.
49. It's not a lot, but
what happened to your other arm?
Oh, I've still got it. But
huh?
I've got my arms. I mean, maybe if we go away from it, yeah, we'll get out of its radius and we can go. Yeah?
This is as high as we can go.
No, get to the very top though. Right, okay, we're gonna go down now. Yeah, and we hope. Yes, it reset. Let's go. You know, I didn't actually think it would reset. I just thought there was a chance, but my brain cells pulled it off. Anyway, don't aggravate it again, because that was really annoying. Just stop here, and then we'll try and run it all on. You making it?
Back?
Right, good.
Making it back?
Don't go back. Don't go back. Come here. Don't go back. No. We need to get some loot at least. We need some loot. Okay, my bag's almost full. But my bag isn't full yet.
Yo, where did you go? Here.
Right, my bag's too full. You have it. This is mine. Yeah, thanks. Right, okay. Let's go. I'm gonna go sell my bag. And Big Coke. Let's go.
Where are you?
Hey.
And it's What? This is where you come from?
Right now, you get your flashlight. We want to keep that. Right, sell. Right, let's go, let's go. I think we're gonna make like 300 at minimum. Right, let's see.
Oh my god!
Damn!
Plus 400?
You want to go to another one? It has better loot.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. But it's a lot more dangerous.
Wait, let me take out my... Is my bag open?
Yeah. But it's a lot more dangerous.
Let's go check if the chicken had its egg.
Ah. Oh yeah, you're on video, by the way, just so you know. I'm a small YouTuber, so yeah, you're on video.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
I'll tell you when the video's over. My videos just all VR. Like I don't do no like Fortnite or anything, just VR. Nah, VX not here, but there is a piece of gold. There's a piece of gold. Run back! I got the gold.
She's coming. Can I have my gold bar?
Right, I'm gonna go get your flashlight. I'm gonna go somewhere dark, so it's good that you have a flashlight.
No.
Yo, hello? Yo, dude, where you at? I recommend he died. But if he died, that's sad.
Grab the egg?
Nope, I hear him. He's alive. Yo, dude,
Oh,
there's another piece of gold.
Huh?
There's another piece of gold.
Can I have it?
Yeah. Then we're gonna go
Where
to
is it?
Is where the chicken is. I'll distract. Wait, you distract, then I'll pick it up. Because you've got more HP since I think you died. I don't know. But if you did,
I distract.
yeah, I can't pick it up. I distract. Get it. Go. Okay, how much HP you got?
Huh?
You dude, wait here.
Did you see the egg?
I've got like no HP. I'm gonna go kill myself quickly.
Your flashlight.
I took my bag and my light. I'm coming back. I had to kill myself because I had such low HP.
Bro,
I mean, I dropped my bag and my loot should be good because my bag has been dropped.
Flashlight fell into the void.
Whoops. No.
I'm trying to keep your backpack.
Yeah, keep my backpack and my stuff safe.
Your flashlight fell though. Your flashlight, like I was putting my bar into my backpack, and like right when I turned around, it fell. Look, I promise you. Look, all I have is my gold bar.
You got a flashlight.
My flashlight is over there.
Oh yeah. Right, I'm gonna go buy a flashlight. I'll buy 2.
No, we can go get it. Let's go get it.
Yeah, but we've only got 1 flashlight.
Huh?
We've only got 1 flashlight because of...
I don't need one.
Huh?
You need one.
Yeah.
I don't need one. Okay. So I'll distract.
Yep. Nah, you just grab it, dude. Grab it. Yeah, dude, grab the flashlight. Run away. Nice.
Go.
Right, let's sort it out here so that... Yeah, okay. You need a flashlight.
There's 2 of them.
Wait, what?
Where's my backpack?
You have it? There we
Oh.
go.
There. Where's my gold bar?
Right, let's go. So basically, it's a lot more dangerous, but the loot, I would say, is a lot better.
Hello?
Yeah. Normally, I would bring a spare light to this place to distract the angler, but just follow me. It's fine. We'll be okay. Yo.
Let's go.
This is where red light, green light monster, where the...
Oh yeah, and turn your light off.
Yeah, because of the angler. Anyway, you do know where to go, yeah?
Yeah, I do know. Stop.
Don't. Move to the side. There's nothing I could do there. You'd either die by the angler or die by the robot. Oh. Okay, you're still alive though. That's good. I feel like I've played this game before. It's just... So just like why can't I pick stuff up with this hand? I can with that hand. Oh, this will make stuff so much harder. What? Or if I
Yo, hello? I thought I lost you. Let's go sell my gold bar.
Yeah, my hand's kind of dead. Like, I don't know what's happened, but my hand can't pick up
What
stuff.
happened?
Look, see, my hand can't pick up anything, which is really, really bad. Right, okay. We'll go to where we went last time and got a load of loot.
Yo, what happened to everybody?
So you know where we went the first time? We'll go there.
No, I mean, bro, come here.
You need...
So, do you know where... So, what happened to everybody?
I don't know. They've like vanished.
Huh?
Right,
Oh, I don't like this.
we're gonna do red light, green light. Right,
Oh, yeah.
it's right here. It's right here. Shoot.
Run.
Down, there's a book. Wait, there's a ruby.
There's a Stanley.
Dude. Take that. Take the ruby too. My hand sort of like broke. Take the ruby.
Oh,
Remember, we have to play it safe.
go.
No. Oh my. Is there loot there? Nah, there's no loot there. Okay. Oh my. I didn't die. I mean, I can't pick anything up still. Oh well. That is weird though. Okay, that's going to be it for now, guys. See ya.